See, we have seen so many cases, at least for about 2 decades, we have seen most of these Menshohnohs actually are not true actually. They all, because of enmity or jealousy and all Menshohnohs. This apprehension has always been there since it's in the folklore of the community. Usually when we get to the truth or we get to the people who are involved in it, it's not because of that they want to drain out blood from a victim. It's usually vendetta, usually for ransom, it is usually for some reason. But I have never come across a case, at least in my service career, that person being drained out of blood because he's a Menshohnoh. I rule out, in fact, we've had so many cases of Super Menshohnoh, especially in the villages and all that. And when we actually investigated, the root cause is different on this.
Sir, regarding the Umpling case, the missing case that was reported yesterday, the body was found yesterday itself, and in the wee hours of till Monday morning. Is the boy still in custody? Is he a boy or is he still a minor?
No, he's reached the age of majority. He is having a relationship with the girl. They've been having a relationship for more than 2 weeks. They've been in touch with each other. And yesterday at about 6:45, 6 side and all that, she had left home on her own and met with the boy. And the girl was in the boy's house. So here we've registered a case. A missing report was actually initially filed, and after we found the boy and we found he's in the age of majority, and she's a minor, so we have taken a case of abduction and wrongful confinement. Right now he's being produced in court, and the girl has been medically examined and she's been handed over to her family.
So what is the severity of the punishment in case of the girl is a minor?
See, we have to first prove that in abduction and all that it's below 7 years. Below 7 years, 3 years to 7 years and all that. Depending on the degree of abduction, if it's just abduction if it's for ransom, then it's more.